Say hello to 5252 Apartments, a vibrant, vacation-style student living in exciting Chicago. Choose from elegant studios, sweet non-en-suites, and classy 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, featuring a cloud-like bed for dreamy snoozes, a dining area so you can enjoy meals with friends, and an in-unit washer and dryer for breezy wash days. Store all your stylish fits easily with tons of closet space. Daily cardio sorted at the state-of-the-art fitness center, or with a dive into the sparkling hotel-style pool. Challenge friends to a game of billiards, or take your pets to the indoor grooming station. With ample bike storage, a secure parking garage, and EV charging stations, your wheels are taken care of too. Experience peak campus proximity with University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry just a short drive away. For seamless adventures around the vibrant city, just hop on a bus from Lake Park and 53rd Street, or catch the train from 51st 53rd Street Station. Explore a world of foodie delights surrounding this property. So grab your spot at 5252 Apartments Chicago today with amberstudent.com.